Welcome to the Melt Together show with Nestlé's Aero for baking. I am Lebogang Tlokana, aka the Funny Chef, and I am your host as we melt together unlikely combinations with our guests and our recipes. In the Melt Together kitchen, Nestlé's Aero for baking is the star of the show. It's a pity it's not me, but listen, she's the girl she thinks she is, and she's perfect for baking. The chocolate comes ready with grammages on each block to help you keep to your recipe's measurements. Never mind the fact that it's quick to melt, so you won't be fighting to get it smooth down onto your mixes.
My favorite ingredient is love, but chocolate will do.
I would say anything that makes chicken to be nicer and taste good.
Hello and welcome to another exciting episode of the Melt Together show with Nestlé's Aero for baking. I am excited about today's episode because our guests are going to be making chocolate cake with buttercream. But what they don't know is there is always a twist. So, on my left, I've got the Fashionista, the girl with the most melody, Molale. And on my right, I've got the soccer superstar, Yeye Letsholonyane. So your twist is the pink peppercorns?
Pink peppercorn.
Yes, and his twist is the sesame seeds.
Yes. I am ready.
Okay. Also, second. Let's go for it.
Okay, firstly, get kinkadi dry ingredients.
Yes.
Flour.
Yes.
Put in. And then sugar, baking powder, and then cocoa powder.
Once.
And then abona.
Tin. Yeah.
Cover whisker.
Yeah. What do you like?
Mix.
Okay, so now we're jumping to our wet ingredients.
Yes, ma'am.
That is the egg, the oil, vanilla essence, the melted Nestlé Aero for baking, sour cream, and some coffee. I'm going in with
the oil,
the entire thing, you know.
Sure.
Yes. And then that's my vanilla essence.
Yes.
And mixer. And then I'm gonna whisk. That is 3 minutes done.
And now I'm mixing the most important ingredient, the melted Nestlé Aero chocolate for baking. This is the one.
It's easy to measure because it comes in the blocks.
Yeah.
Your sour cream.
Your favorite part.
Now I'm gonna add my last ingredient, which is coffee, into the mix.
Okay, Mama, back to you.
Okay, so now for the fun part.
Yes.
I am going to take my wet ingredients and I am going to pour them into my dry ingredients.
Okay.
So this is what it looks like right now.
I'm
so
shocked.
proud of myself.
Sure.
Look at this. This is what you want. You want to make sure.
Chocolate ganache.
Yes, chocolate fondant.
Now I'm pouring my chocolate cake batter into the pans.
Right.
And now into the oven we go.
Okay.
And we're back.
Let's go for it, ne?
Moment of truth.
Okay. Ooh.
It's so burnt.
It's not.
His is burnt.
It is not. Okay.
Yeah, now I'm done.
Okay.
And I'm obviously doing my final touches.
Okay.
I'm gonna sprinkle my sesame seeds.
Okay.
So my twist was a pink peppercorn. So I'm going to sprinkle that now for my last sort of goodbye to my cake.
There we go. I wanna go in with the peppercorns.
That's how you do it. That is how you do it.
It's beautiful. It's moist. The peppercorns. Listen, let's do it. Kudos. Let me move on to the main man. You worked really hard for this.
This is a winner.
The nuttiness of the sesame seeds.
Almost.
Winner, ne?
Almost.
And the chocolate. It's also moist, the creaminess. But this is very beautiful, delicate, lovely, moist, everything. Your twists were amazing, eccentric, if I may use the right English for this platform. You were getting too excited.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
But you did win.
Thank you. I want to say thank you to my mom. I'm proud of you.
Yes, let's all dab to it.
You try.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You can see.
We've come to the end of our Melt Together show with NESTLÉ AERO for baking, and I hope you guys join or rather subscribe to our YouTube channel at NESTLÉ AERO for baking.